Now you can see from the labial aspect here, the crown part is this, and from the palatal aspect you can see there is a cingulum bulge here, and from this part distal aspect and from the mesial aspect you should have to check the diameter is not more than 7 at this point. So we keep always measure the diameter. So from the mesial aspect, widest diameter is 7, buccolingual labio or buccolingual direction diameter of the crown, and from here it is also labio or buccolingual diameter of the crown. And keep it in mind that two plane reduction is very important. You should carve in this way at the fossa area. Earlier midpoint is here, and we earlier draw it in the center, so carefully carve the fossa of the central incisor, which is important. Okay. Now we are very close near the incisal edge, so keep carving carefully. Now you can see here the incisal part, how your crown looks. This part where we can meet the fossa, and from this part this is the cingulum area. Okay, this part is your cingulum area, and from you can view the whole crown of the maxillary central incisor. So roughly it is carved here, but you should have to finish from all the side and all the measurements. So keep your carving smooth. Okay, and before going to the carving of root, one point is that what is the incisal edge appearance. So the mesial part of the incisal edge is slightly sharp, so keep in mind. it is not excessively carved, because its appearance is slightly pointed. Okay, and one part is slightly round off. So before creating the fossa, what is the outline? Okay, so now I am telling you the outline of the fossa. So from the incisal aspect, your carving looks like this. And before creating the fossa, I will tell you the landmarks of the fossa of the maxillary central incisor. Basically it is roughly W shape, and I am creating a W here, and this I am making here, and this is okay. So you can visibly W, okay, W shape fossa. And before deepening of the fossa, I am telling you their landmarks. So this side I marked here mesial. Okay, so this part is, firstly I am cleaning this part. Okay, so this part is mesial marginal ridge. Okay, I am drawing here earlier mesial part, and this is your mesial marginal ridge, and this part I drawn here distal surface. So this is distal marginal ridge. So you are creating the shape of the fossa in that way, so that your margin is intact. Okay, your margin, this is your margin of the fossa. So mesial marginal ridge of the fossa and distal marginal ridge of the fossa, and this part, this is surrounded by your cingulum area. Okay, that is slightly bulge or convex. Okay, so and this is your incisal edge, so it should be intact. Now this is the carving of your crown carving of your central incisor. Now in the second part I am telling you about the root carving and curvature lines of the central incisor. So continue and keep watching second part of this video. So firstly you carve and you learn how to carve the crown of the central incisor and how to carve the bulge of the cingulum and how to create the fossa. So once you carve your W shape fossa, you can deepen this developmental fossa. Okay, and this W shape fossa. Okay, and you can deepen it in this way. And in the second video I will tell you about the root carving. Hope you learn here, and you can reduce the measurement from all sides if required. And this mesial part of the incisal edge is slightly conical, and this part is slightly round off. Distal part is slightly round off, so you can round it. Okay, and this is all about the carving of the crown. So thank you very much. Keep watching for root carving. Thank you.